So today's moving day, yay!
So as you see, this is the front door to enter my apartment. Then you have to walk up the stairs. The only thing downstairs is the front door. So when you walk up and you go to the left side, you have the living area and you have the balcony. Can we talk about this flooring though? So then you turn around and you have the kitchen area and the dining area. You guys, these light fixtures that hang from the ceiling are so pretty. It's like, can we talk about it? So the apartment people were nice enough to give me a brand new refrigerator, stainless steel appliances. I love the flat stove. I have a pantry. I guess that makes up for the limited cabinet space. And I'm also thankful for the microwave because the microwave on the counter just wasn't my look that I was going for with my apartment. So I was happy that the microwave was built in already. So then you go out, of course, the dining area. You go to one side of the apartment, you have the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. This will be where my bed will go. You have the walk-in closet, nice and spacious. And then you turn around and this apartment is 2 bedroom, 2 full bath. So this is bathroom number 1 and there's a closet right there for like towels and stuff. The last apartment had double vanity sinks and I was like, I didn't think I needed 2 actual sinks in my apartment since it's just me. You guys, this shower head, can we talk about it? Like, it gives the right amount of pressure. It's like to die for. I love it. So then we turn around and we walk out and go to the other side of the apartment, and you have a closet for like storage or coats. I used it for my luggage area and for storage because this is like the only place actually in the apartment that's for storage. So then you have the laundry area, you guys. Every apartment should have a laundry room. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Fight me. Every apartment should have a laundry room. Like, that's like key. Like, who wants to spend $5 on washing a load? Like, I'll wash a t-shirt if I need to, okay? And then you guys, hello. I have a filming room. Yes, it's bigger than my normal room and I don't care. I have a beauty room, you guys. Can we talk about it? Like, Monica girl, what you was saying? I have a filming room.
This will be bitch.
Yeah, that girl scared the hell out of me. So yeah, this is just another closet for like storage and stuff. I'm gonna store my shoes in there so that the other closet is gonna be an actual walk-in closet without shoes on the floor. So this bathroom is the same as the other layout. I had to do a voiceover and do this in slow-mo because I was like so anxious and it was so hot outside. We had to hurry up and film this and get to moving the stuff inside because it was going to be like 100 and something degrees.
So this concludes my empty apartment tour. Yay, it's all mine.